Feeling the strain on your eyes from browsing late at night? Want to give your Google Chrome a stylish new look? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're on the home page, click on the Customize Chrome button. Then select Dark from the options and your Chrome will switch to dark mode. Now, there's another way to enable dark mode in Chrome. For this method, click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a bit. Once you're in the settings, click on Appearance from the left side menu. Next, click on the box next to Theme and select Dark. Your Chrome will now be in dark mode. This method is perfect if you don't have the Customize Chrome button or if you have a custom homepage set. So, that's how you enable dark mode on Chrome. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. For more Chrome tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.